Good morning, my dear students. Look here. Now, yesterday we discussed how to find the value of k if there are two distinct real roots, two equal real roots, and there is no roots. Now, another type of word problems and some other problems related to quadratic formula. Come on, whether you write it. The difference between two numbers is 5. You write the question. Difference between two numbers is 5. And the difference between their reciprocals. Difference between their reciprocals is 1 by 10. Difference between two numbers is 5 and difference between their reciprocals is 1 by 10. Find the numbers. Are you ready? Look here. Now, if one of the number is x, other number is x plus 5 or x minus 5 because the difference is 5. So, let the numbers are x and x plus 5. Difference between the reciprocals. So, reciprocals are 1 by x and 1 by x plus 5. Is it clear? Is it over? And the difference is 1 by 10. You see that? Difference between the reciprocals is 1 by 10. Are you ready? Then cross multiply, already you studied that. By multiply you get x plus 5 minus x divided by x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x equal to 1 by 10. By cross multiply. Crossly multiply. Actually it is not cross multiply. Crossly. You studied that. Now x minus x cancel and it is 5 by x square plus 5x equal to 1 by 10. Then again cross multiply. 1 into x square, 1 into 5x equal to, by cross multiply you get 50. Slower. Now x square plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. X square plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. That is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now you complete the question by using b square minus 4ac, otherwise by splitting the middle terms or factorization. I think factorization is comparatively easy. Look here. Multiply to get 50 is a negative number, minus 50. So subtract to get 5, multiply to get 50. You studied that the numbers are 10 and 5. You remember that? Factorization by splitting the middle terms. Here you take x as a common factor. Here you take minus 5 as a common factor. You remember that? So x plus 10 and x minus 5. Answer is, let x plus 10 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 10. Another answer, x minus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to 5. It is not compulsory to complete the problem by quadratic formula. Use splitting the middle terms, completing square method, any method. Now your answers are minus 10 and 5. Minus 10 and 5. See there. One more problem. Come on, better you write this. Four x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. 4x square, just minutes, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Are you ready? Any methods? Any method means? Now are you ready? Now by quadratic formula look at here. B square 4 root 3 square. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 4 root 3 and C is equal to 3. B square minus 4AC, 4 into A equal to 4 and 3. 4 square is 16, root 3 square is 3. 4 into 4 into 3, that's all 48. 16 into 3 is 48, minus 48 equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay. And you studied that the roots, if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then there are two equal real roots. And the formula is x is equal to minus b by 2a. It's not compulsory to write total formula because root 3 b square minus 4ac is already 0. So plus 0 minus 0 already you studied. This is the answer. So minus b means 5 minus 4 root 3, 2 into a, 2 into 4. 4 cancel, minus root 3 by 2. That's your final answer. The actually answers are, there are two answers and they are equal. Minus root 3 by 2, 2 times. You get the idea? If p square minus 4ac equal to 0, x is equal to minus b by 2a. Remember that? Is it over? One more. But you will write the question. 4 root 3x square is completed. Okay. Then come on, x square minus 12x plus, better you write with me, 12x plus 31 equal to 0. Are you ready? A equal to 1, b is equal to minus 12 and c is equal to 31. So b square minus 4ac is minus 12 square minus 4 into a equal to 1 and other one is 31. It is 144 minus, if you multiply you get 124. If you subtract you get 20. B square minus 4ac equal to 20. We want root b square minus 4ac. That is root 20. If 20 is divided by 2 or prime factorization, it is 2 into 2 into 5. And you studied that one of the two taken out. Root 5 is inside. 5 is inside the root. 2 root 5 is the root of root 20. A similar program already you discussed in the previous class. And the values minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4 is equal to. You look at the steps and find the roots. Minus b means minus 12 plus or minus root 20 by 2 into a is equal to 1. Minus is plus, root 20 is 2 root 5 divided by 2 into 1 to 1 answer. 12 minus 2 root 5 by 2 is another answer. One of the value is positive, another value is negative. Is it clear? So your answers, you take 2 as a common factor outside. 2 into 6 plus root 5 by 2, other one is 2 into 6 minus root 5 by 2. That already you studied such programs in the previous class. Now 2 and 2 cancel and the final answer is 6 plus root 5 and other one 6 minus root 5. Okay. You watch carefully the video and I will give you home assignment. കുറച്ച് പേര് 10th ഇപ്പോഴും ഈ വീഡിയോ ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് വാച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. ആ നമ്പേഴ്സ് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എനിക്കത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ട്. എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും അതിൽ നിന്ന് നോക്കിയിട്ടൊന്നും home assignment കാണിച്ചു തരുന്നുണ്ട്. You watch the video very carefully, then answer it. If it is wrong, there is no problem. അത് തെറ്റിയാൽ എന്നോട് ചോദിച്ചാൽ പേഴ്സണൽ ഫോൺ ചെയ്തോളൂ, ഞാൻ അത് പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.